Welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here again as we explore the fascinating world of interior design. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and versatile design approaches, the living room, dining room, and kitchen combo layout. The open-concept living style has skyrocketed in popularity among modern homes for several compelling reasons. This design not only brings family and friends together in a shared space, fostering a sense of community and connection, but it also promotes an airy and spacious atmosphere. Even in smaller homes, the open concept can create an illusion of expansiveness, making these areas feel larger and more inviting. When embarking on the journey of designing an open concept layout, the first and foremost step is to thoughtfully consider the flow between the different areas. Each section, the living room, dining space, and kitchen, should seamlessly connect while retaining its own unique character and identity. Achieving this balance is crucial to maintaining harmony throughout your home. One effective method to create distinct yet cohesive areas is through the strategic use of area rugs. By placing a rug in the living room, for instance, you establish a cozy, defined space for relaxation and conversation. The dining area can be accentuated with a contrasting rug, which adds visual interest and defines the boundaries for mealtime gatherings. The kitchen can remain open and airy while subtly suggesting its function through the choice of flooring or even the arrangement of kitchen islands. Lighting also plays a pivotal role in distinguishing these spaces. Utilize a combination of ceiling lights, pendant fixtures, and table lamps to create layers of illumination that highlight each area's purpose. A statement chandelier over the dining table can serve as a focal point, whereas softer lighting in the living room invites relaxation and warmth. Additionally, paint colors can work wonders in differentiating these spaces without the need for physical barriers like walls. Opting for a cohesive color palette that features different shades in each area can visually separate the rooms while maintaining an overall unity. For example, a serene blue in the living room can beautifully transition into a soft beige in the dining area, leading into a crisp white in the kitchen. Incorporating varied textures through furniture and decor, like wooden dining sets, plush sofas, or sleek cabinetry, can also add depth and character to each space, ensuring that while they are connected, they each tell their own unique story. By utilizing these design techniques, you can create an open concept layout that not only looks stunning but feels functional and inviting. Remember, the goal is to blend aesthetics with practicality, making your home a place where everyone loves to gather. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration on how to transform your living spaces into functional works of art that reflect your personal style. In the living room area, it is crucial to keep your furniture arranged thoughtfully to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that encourages conversation among guests and family members. Sofas, sectionals, or accent chairs should be strategically placed to subtly define the living zone, allowing for a comfortable flow of movement within the space. A central coffee table can serve as both a functional piece and a gathering point, providing a surface for drinks, books, or decorative items that enhance the room's aesthetics. Layered lighting plays a significant role in transforming the ambience of the living room. Incorporating various lighting sources, such as floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces, can create pockets of light that make the space feel warm and cozy. It is essential to maintain open sightlines to the kitchen and dining areas, ensuring that the layout feels cohesive and interconnected, allowing interaction between spaces while preserving the distinct functions of each area. In a combo layout, the dining room often serves as the central anchor that connects the living space and kitchen. By placing your dining table strategically between these two areas, you not only enhance the functionality of the design but also add to the overall visual appeal. This arrangement promotes ease of serving and access while creating a natural flow for guests moving between areas. To elevate this dining zone, consider highlighting it with a statement chandelier or a stylish pendant light. These lighting fixtures act as focal points that draw the eye and create a sense of intentionality and elegance within the space. Selecting a light fixture that complements the overall decor theme, whether it's modern, rustic, or eclectic, can enhance the dining experience and set the mood for both casual breakfasts and formal dinner parties. Additionally, consider the use of textiles and colors at the dining table, such as tablecloths, napkins, or centerpieces, to create an inviting look that ties in with the surroundings. Positioning chairs that are comfortable and in alignment with the height of the table enhances usability. By thoughtfully designing your living and dining zones, you create a seamless and engaging atmosphere perfect for entertaining or enjoying intimate family meals. Moving to the kitchen, incorporating an island or a peninsula into the design is an exceptional way to delineate the cooking area while still preserving an open and inviting connection to the adjoining spaces. This multifunctional feature serves more than just as a divider. It also acts as additional seating for family and friends, provides a dedicated prep zone for meal preparation, and can function as a casual breakfast bar for busy mornings. This adaptability makes the island or peninsula one of the most practical and sought-after elements in modern open-plan designs. To ensure that the entire area remains cohesive and visually appealing, it is essential to focus on maintaining consistent design elements across the kitchen, dining, and living zones. This can be achieved by repeating similar tones, textures, and accent colors throughout these interconnected spaces. For instance, choosing complementary wood finishes can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while incorporating metallic accents can add a touch of sophistication and elegance. Furthermore, injecting pops of color and accessories, such as kitchenware, cushions, or decorative items, can harmoniously tie everything together, resulting in a beautifully coordinated space that feels well thought out and intentional. Engaging in these design practices allows for a smooth transition between areas, enhancing the overall aesthetic and functionality of the open-plan layout. To maintain a cohesive aesthetic throughout your home, especially in areas like the kitchen, dining, and living zones, it's essential to focus on consistent design details. This means repeating similar tones, textures, or accent colors that resonate with each other across these spaces. For instance, if the kitchen features warm wood finishes, aim to incorporate those same tones in the dining table and living room furniture. Metallic accents, such as brass or chrome, can be used in light fixtures or hardware, creating a unified look throughout the three zones. Small pops of color can come from accessories, like cushions or decorative items, and can beautifully tie the areas together while adding an inviting atmosphere. In addition to aesthetic cohesion, practicality plays a crucial role in open concept designs. To avoid unwanted clutter, which can be especially pronounced in spaces where multiple areas are visible simultaneously, consider implementing smart storage solutions. Built-in cabinetry provides seamless storage that blends with your design, while floating shelves offer a modern touch for displaying decorative items without sacrificing functionality. Hidden storage furniture, like ottomans or coffee tables with compartments, can further help in maintaining a neat and tidy appearance, ensuring that all necessary items are within reach without compromising on style. The layout of a living room, dining room, and kitchen combo can effectively create a sense of connection between the different areas of your home. It encourages a welcoming environment that is ideal for entertaining guests. Thoughtful furniture placement plays a vital role in this regard. For example, opting for a large, central dining table can serve as a focal point, while strategically positioning sofas and chairs around it facilitates conversation and encourages flow. Lighting, whether it be through ambient, task, or accent options, can dramatically influence the feel of the atmosphere. Consider using a mix of overhead fixtures and table lamps to create warmth and interest. Regardless of the size of your home, adopting a well-considered layout can transform your interiors. Even in small spaces, a strategically designed living room, dining room, and kitchen combo can evoke feelings of spaciousness and interconnectedness. When done right, your home becomes a harmonious blend of style and functionality, prompting a cozy yet elegant setting that you and your guests will love. If you are contemplating a remodel or simply seeking fresh inspiration for your space, the layout ideas provided can be a valuable resource. They encourage creative thinking and offer guidance on producing a home that seamlessly merges style, practicality, and an inviting ambience, ensuring your interiors are not only beautiful but also livable and welcoming for all occasions. Embrace the possibilities of an open concept design, and let your creativity lead the way in crafting a home that truly reflects your personal style.